Kaplan or BPP, study text or study kit, recorded lectures or live lectures. Wait, don't worry, I've got you covered. You don't need a shitload of books for that photo on your LinkedIn profile. You just need a few resources and it is going to work like magic. So hello my comeback kings and queens, this is Pearl Rathod and today we are going to discuss what all resources do you need for your first level ACCA exam and how you are going to ace your ACCA exams with those resources only. And all the other resources belongs on the other side of the door with your ex, which you are never going to open. So let's get to it. First things first, which you just keep me asking, Kaplan or BPP. So let me tell you, I studied for Kaplan and I would suggest Kaplan because it's very simple, easy language and only what's needed. BPP, one level higher language, thoda extra topics, and you don't need that, right? If you need only what's needed, go for Kaplan. If you want to take it one notch above, one level above, go for BPP. My suggestion, Kaplan, stick with it. And for the love of God, please do not read both of the study text. You are going to cry harder and fail faster. It's like chase two girls, leave the one. Yeah, I'm bad at singing, but yeah, don't read both of those study text. Now that you have studied everything from the study text, whichever you choose, what are you going to practice? There is a 3-step approach that we will follow. Number 1, test your understanding of the book that you are following in the first step. Okay, only that book. Number 2, exam kit of the book of the publication that you are following in your step number 1. So Kaplan study text, Kaplan exam kit. BPP study text, BPP exam kit. And number 3, then you move to ACCA Study Hub and solve all the questions that are there. Okay, and if you still have time and energy and you want to practice more, then switch the publication, not the study text, just the exam kit. And if you are doing Kaplan, do the BPP kit as well. Number 3 is self-study or coaching. So imagine you are swimming in an open water and you don't have floater, you don't know how to swim, you don't know where the edges are, you don't know anything. How are you going to pass through the water, right? So in the first level, it's like you don't know anything about ACCA, you are very new to ACCA. Of course, I'm there to help you. But at the end of the day, I'm not going to teach you, right? So you don't know the teaching techniques, the study techniques and everything. So it's okay for you to start with coaching in the first level, okay? Or even the first paper. If you just wanted to be the first paper, go with the first paper. Take coaching for the first paper and see how ACCA is, how it tests, how things work in ACCA. And then if you feel like the syllabus is easy and you can do it on your own like I did, I took first level coaching from CICA EduRave and then I felt comfortable with studying on my own and then I switched to self-study. So yeah, it helped me get a grip of ACCA. If you want to know about my journey of level 1 and level 2 as well, please click on the video shown on the I button. So you can do that as well. And if you still feel that you don't need coaching, you don't need the mentorship, you know it all and I am there to help you, and all the other channels and resources that you have, you can take up self-study as well. But if you are not taking self-study and if you are taking coaching, remember, do not get into the coaching without getting your demo lectures in, because trust me, I have suffered because I did not take demo lectures for a lot of papers where I took recorded lectures and it was not worth it. So first take demo lectures and then only pay, because it is non-refundable. Yes, it is non-refundable. So put your hand in the water, check whether it's warm enough for you to go in and then swim in the water. Can you study for free? Hell yes, you can. And I'm going to mentor you through the journey, of course, but I don't teach. So who is going to teach you? YouTube, you got that right. YouTube is the place where you can get all the subjects, even the 3rd level subjects for free. The whole syllabus is there on YouTube. I have linked down all the best lectures that I feel are there on YouTube for the first 3 papers, FA, MA and BT, and you can study for free on there. No money, Papa ke paise bachao. If you have chosen the path of classes, recorded lectures or live lectures. Recorded lectures are little low on the fees, live lectures are high on the fees. But guys, does it even matter if the content is the same, if the tutor is the same? Does it even matter? Yes, it does matter, because if you do not have the discipline of sitting every day for 1 hour, for 2 hours, then how are you going to study from recorded lectures when nobody is going to send you the reminder, where it's all self-paced? So if you lack the self-discipline, please paise mat bachao, go for the live lectures. And if you feel you have the self-discipline and you don't need that beating to study for your exam, then yes, go for recorded lectures. I have always taken recorded lectures because I feel that I do have that kind of discipline ki haan, if I want to do something, I'll be able to do it. So self-paced lectures and recorded lectures are always have the best thing that worked for me. You can choose according to your wish and how you work. The best coachings that I believe are there in the first level, I have listed down all of those coaching in my description box. Then comes the master of all, mocks. And in all my videos, I have said that mocks, practice, that is the thing that will save you. So mocks from where? Don't go around lurking everywhere asking for mocks, and then practicing it in your book or normal computer. No, don't go there. Go to your CBE platform. ACCA has made just for the mocks. See all the papers and attempt all those papers. Some papers you can attempt in time limit, some papers you can just practice there. Make yourself familiar with the CBE platform and at least solve 3 mocks. 2 past paper, the recent ones, and 1 pre-mock. Those are the prerequisite. These are the bare minimum. Apart from this, if you want to solve 10 mocks, go for it. Go for it. It's your preparation, it's your study. I am nobody to tell you that 3 is the limitation. So listed down all the free resources for you, listed down all the important coachings for you that I feel are the best. Any questions that you have, you can ask me in the comment section. If you feel that this video helped you a little bit, share, like, and comment on this video that how it has helped you, and any questions that you have, and subscribe to my channel for more updates. I'm coming up with new things every week, so stick with me and we are going to clear ACCA together. And trust me, we never give up, we just come back stronger. Bye, toodles!